Hello everyone, this is Sakes Infotech, where we simplify tech for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to password protect your folder for your privacy and security of sensitive data. But before we dive in, if you are new to my channel, kindly support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell notification icon for more tech tips. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you. So to protect our privacy, we first have to deal with protecting our document. Okay, it can be Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, any document you use. Okay, in my case, I'm going to go with Microsoft Word. I can do the same thing for the Excel, PowerPoint, and any Office application. It's the same process. So to protect your Word document with a password, let me open my Word. So I'll click on Microsoft Word or Word 2016. So I'll click on the blank document. Then I'll type test. Okay, so let me type test. So this is the document I want to protect with a password. Okay, so to protect this document with a password, you click on File, Save As, and then you specify a location you want to save the document. So I'll click on the browse, then I'll select document. I want the document to be on the desktop. Then at the downside, you see tools next to where the save is. So you click on the down arrow, and then you click on general options. So now it will give you the options to set a password to open, a password to modify. Okay, so let me set my password quickly, and I'll set the password to modify, and I'll click on OK. So now re-enter password to open, meaning you want to confirm the password. So let me type it quickly, then I'll click on OK. So re-enter password to modify. So let me type it quickly, then I'll click on OK, then I'll click on save. Now our document has been saved with the password. So anytime I want to open this document, it's going to ask for the password. So let me demonstrate it to you. So it's asking for the password. So let me type the password in. Now password to modify. Now we have access to our document. So we are protecting our privacy. So this first option is for you to protect your document. It's the same process or procedure for Excel, PowerPoint, and it will work the same. Okay, so now we'll move to protecting your folder. So after you've protected your document, we have to protect the folder as well, where we are going to keep our documents or our files. So to password protect your folder, we are going to need an application called 7-Zip. Okay, so to download and install the 7-Zip, you open your browser. You can open any browser of your choice. In my case, I'm going with Google Chrome. So let me click on that. Then you type the URL. Okay, so 7-zip.org. So I'll click on that. And then you can download for 64-bit, you can download for 32-bit or 64-bit ARM platform. In my case, I've already downloaded the 64-bit. So let me take you to where I have my download. Then we initiate the installation. So let me close this. Then I'll open my download. So here is it. So I'll double click on that. And I'll click yes to allow this app to make changes. Let me close this. Then I'll click on install. Now the 7-Zip is done installing. So let me close it. So I'll create a folder and then I'll demonstrate to you how to password protect the folder. Okay, so let me create a folder and name it IT. So IT. So I have my folder by name IT. So I'll move the test file into the folder. Okay, because we've already password protected the test file, the Word document. So to password protect your document as well, or your folder, you right click on the folder and you go to compress to zip file. So we first have to convert the file to a zip file. Okay, and then on the zip file we right click on it and then we show more options because I'm using Windows 11. Then we move to the 7-Zip. Okay, so we scroll down and then we click on add to archive. So here we can add our password to the folder, okay, to the zip file. So let me type my password quickly. So let me re-enter the password and I'll click on OK. So now I've password protected my zip file, so it has changed to the WinRAR icon. Okay, so let me delete this quickly. So I'll delete this folder quickly. So now we are dealing with the WinRAR. Okay, so let me double click on that, and then we'll try to access the zip file or the zip folder we have in the WinRAR. So I'll double click on that. Now you see it's asking for password before it opens. So let me type the password. Then I'll click on OK. Okay, now it's giving us access to open the IT document. So let me double click on that. Now we have our test file or the test document. Okay, so to open this document also you need a password to open and to modify. So let me do that quickly and then you see. Now password to open and then password to modify. Voila, so now we are done. So we have to protect our privacy, okay, because we have and if you have some confidential information, so you have to protect them with a password. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you find value in this video, kindly support this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell notification icon for more tech tips.